Hello and happy Monday, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful weekend, a fantastic start to the year. So this week we're going to do some more fun. We're going to bring some wood in. We're going to start a fire, and we're going to stay out of the cold and have some hot chocolate. Let's get into it. This is my garden. You guys come with. Oh, it's kind of cold. Yes, it is. Okay. Hey everyone, how we doing? Very happy 2022 to you all. Stay warm. Enjoy. I don't envy you guys being out here. Before all of you go, oh, but it's so pretty. Why wouldn't you like the snow? I got something to show you. You see those drifts? Yeah, those are like 5 foot tall. And that's all I'm gonna do for today, so raise my cup. Cheers to a very happy, healthy, and successful, however you may, define success, to a very wonderful 2022. Hope it brings everyone joy and everything that they hope for. I want to thank everyone for joining me for 2021. It was wonderful. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like what you saw, please let me know. You can leave a like, drop a comment, give a subscribe. Go check out my TikTok, Instagram, blog, whatever it is. Good to see you. Good to have you. And that's all. See you guys next week. Cheers.